In the last video I showed you how to draw an accurate triangle, and that was when you are given one angle and two side lengths. For this video I'm going to show you how to draw a triangle accurately when you are given two angles and one side length, and the side length has to go in between the two angles that you are given. The triangle I'm going to draw has one angle of 110 degrees and one angle of 30 degrees, and the side length between those two angles is going to be 8 centimeters. Like before, the first thing we do is draw the line that we've been given, so 8 centimeters. Now I hope I'm not going to make the same mistake I did last time. I'm going to start a little bit lower this time, and I'm going to draw an 8 centimeter line. So I line up my ruler and I'm going to draw a line of 8 centimeters. On this triangle I'm going to label it up using the labeling system that we looked at yesterday. So this length, this line here, this 8 centimeter line, is the line AB. So I label one end A and one end B. I now need to draw my two angles on to get the point C. So my angle on the left here is going to be 30 degrees. Okay, I'll just pencil it in lightly so I can know roughly what it should look like. What I do is I put my crosshair on the end of the line like before, and I find 30, remembering to start at the correct edge. So this edge, 0 is on the inside, so I go up to 30 degrees. That's the same as 150 on the outside, and I put a little mark. I'm then going to faintly draw a line through there that goes well beyond that mark. Okay, I'm going to go right up the page very faintly like this. I'm then going to draw the angle at the other edge, which is going to be 110. So my crosshair goes on the B there, and this time the 0 is on the outside because that's where the line is. The 0 is on the line, so I'm going round to 110, which is here. And it looks like my line just about might be long enough. I'm then going to draw a nice faint line through that point so it crosses over the first line I drew. So it looks like that, and you can see the first line I drew was just long enough because they cross up there. I'm going to rub that circle out, we don't need that. And this is going to be point C. Once I've got my construction lines, I'm just going to draw these lines a bit longer, the faint ones, so you can see them. So let's put that one up to there, and let's draw this one a little bit longer, like that. And then once I've done that, I can draw over a little bit thicker where the triangle actually is, so I can see clearly where it goes, like this. Okay, and now I've got my triangle A, B, C. I can label up the angles, so angle, so we can say angle B, A, sorry, I can say angle B, A, C, that's B, A, C, equals 30 degrees, and my angle here, A, B, C, equals 110 degrees. And you can work out what this angle here is by doing the angles in a triangle equal 180 degrees.